Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a quick margarita. First, gather your key ingredients: good quality tequila, fresh lime juice, and an orange liqueur. For a balanced drink, remember the classic 2:1 ratio of tequila, lime juice, and orange liqueur. Don't forget to chill your serving glass and prepare a salt rim if you enjoy that extra touch. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious cocktail. Now, let's mix. Pour your measured tequila, fresh lime juice, and orange liqueur into a cocktail shaker filled with ice. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. This ensures your drink is perfectly chilled and well combined. Finally, strain the vibrant mixture into your pre-chilled, salt-trimmed glass over fresh ice. You're almost ready to enjoy. To complete your quick margarita, add a fresh lime wedge or wheel as a classic garnish. If you're feeling adventurous, consider customizing your drink. You can easily add a splash of fruit puree, like mango or strawberry, for a unique twist. For those who prefer a sweeter taste, a small amount of agave nectar or simple syrup can be added to achieve your perfect balance. Enjoy making it your own. Your quick margarita is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately to savor its refreshing, cold temperature and vibrant flavors. Remember to always drink responsibly and in moderation, ensuring a pleasant experience for everyone. This delightful cocktail pairs wonderfully with a variety of Mexican dishes, from tacos to enchiladas. Cheers to your perfectly crafted, quick margarita.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.